There's a swimming pool right below us. It's right below us. If I jumped, I'd be looking at that. But I'm not gonna, so not yet anyway. And there's the beach. There's that palm tree again. Right there's the big palm tree. That's how far up we are. Pool's kind of nice too. Lots of beach chairs. Beach chairs. There you go. The only thing missing is you.